welcome. You're watching with me, Sharad Kohli, Saral Money. And we're going to understand today what exactly is fundamental analysis in stock markets. I'm sure you must have heard the means and ways people use to make investments in stock market, to take decisions about stock markets, whether to invest, whether not to invest, how much to invest, how much not to invest, when to invest and when not to invest. The answers to all these questions related to stock market lie in analysis of stock market, and one of the methods of analysis is called fundamental analysis. Let us understand what this fundamental analysis is. When you try and make decisions in stock markets based on, I start from bottom to top, based on how the company is performing, whether the company has been doing well in terms of its profits, losses, sales, which is top lines, bottom lines, so on and so forth, whether the company's scope of product and services is going to be good in future, whether the company has got a dominating position in the market, in the sector. Then we move on to whether the sector in which the company deals, is the sector doing well, is the sector not doing well, what are the prospects of sector, how the sector has been performing generally. Then we go on to the overall economic condition of the country, that how the country has been faring in terms of GDP, in terms of government policies, in terms of various other things which affect the sector and the company. Then we go on to the continental position, to the global position, as to how is the world economy doing, how is the economy of the continent doing. So when all these factors are put together, you will come to know that the stock in which you're going to invest is going to rise or is not going to rise. Is it a long-term investment? Is it a short-term investment? I think the answers to these questions lie in fundamental analysis. To take a quick example, suppose profit of a company was an X amount in X year, and you are expecting that profit to grow by 50%. Now, it is not necessary that the stock price at which you're buying today will also grow at 50%. That's not the case. But then basically you come to know that company's prospects in terms of its share price are good, and the company's stock price is looking bullish for future, or you're bullish on the company because the company has been doing reasonably well. Now, for this fundamental analysis, you need probably sometimes the help of a financial expert, because fundamental analysis also means analyzing companies' financial data, which may include a review of top margins, a review of bottom lines, a review of EBITDA, which is EBITDA, if you've heard of all this, a review of book value of the share, a review of the PE multiple, which is price to EPS multiple, the EPS of the company. So I think a very detailed financial analysis of the balance sheet, of the accounting data, financial data of the company gives you an answer to the question that how good is the company's stock performing today and how good is it going to perform tomorrow. So when you combine all these factors, it is called fundamental analysis. A good fundamental analysis will give you answers to your questions relating to how the stock is going to shape in future. So keep investing and keep doing fundamental analysis. Keep a watch on fundamental analysis. If you can't do it yourself, take a help of an expert. But don't forget to watch Saral Money for many such complicated stock market finance terms made easy for you. Thank you.